everybody, it's Olivia with Create Odyssey, and I'm here with a haul. You can kind of see it peeking in over here. Don't have that much room on my desk, so let's jump in. So since I have this stuff on top, I'm going to start with this stuff. I'm super excited. I went to Michael's Tuesday morning and the Dollar Tree. Just kidding. Dollar General. Dollar General, you guys. Okay, so oh, and I got some stuff off Amazon. Well, I got some tape off Amazon, so I got some more tape. Still start with the tape because I needed some tape. It's got little fuzz on it. So I just got this in yesterday and I started using one of the rolls last night. It's probably my favorite tape right now, this score tape. So if you've never used score tape, I don't know if I was even in the frame, but if you haven't used score tape, please try it. You will love it. I love it. It's my new favorite tape. So I got that off Amazon. That's the only thing so far that's come in from Amazon. I got some other stuff ordered. Also, I got these color paint glitter markers for $2 from the Dollar General. So of course, you know, we're gonna test them out in a second. I also got some more tape. I really did not want to get 4 rolls, but one roll is $3 and 4 for $6. I was out of packing tape, so I said, okay, let's get it. So I got that too. Looks like it's a tape haul. And then you guys, I'm so excited about this. If you guys have seen Maggie Holmes stars, they have them now at the Dollar General, and they're only $1, and there's 18 grams in here of these gold stars. I mean, these stars will last you forever. There's so many in here. So I got 2 packs of these. I was so excited when I seen these. I was like, oh my gosh, a Maggie Holmes dupe. So yes, I got those. So that's all I got. Oh wait, no, I almost forgot. You guys, I am so excited about this. I got this mug. Do you see it with the reindeer and their little like pimp glasses and their chains? And on the inside it says, I slay, okay? I am so in love with this mug so much. And you guys, it was $2. Only $2. I was like, oh my gosh, I can't pass it up. I love it so much. Okay, so that's all I got from the Dollar General, but let's go ahead and test these markers out really quick for you guys. So I just got some scrap black paper and white paper so we can see what it looks like on both of those. Oops. I'm excited. I love glitter, and I'm hoping that these work really well. I'm not really sure. I don't really buy markers from the Dollar General, but you guys, I just got lucky with that paint marker from the Dollar Tree that I showed you in my last haul. So I was like, you know what, let's give it a shot. You know, this could really work. So we got red, gold, silver, and green. I guess we'll start with green since that's what I picked it up. And I'm guessing this is like the paint marker too, because you've got to, you know, like hold it down for a second before it starts to flow. So let's hopefully this will start to flow pretty soon, or I'll be devastated. Not yet. Okay, there we go. Now I'm seeing some green. So it takes a second for the liquid to flow. I'm guessing this might not come up on black because this is looking pretty dark. Oh wow. It comes up on black. Not the greatest. It kind of looks silvery, but it does have a hint of green. I'm going over it twice to see if that will make a difference. No, so if you can see, it doesn't really look that green. When you first write it, it does, but on black paper, it kind of comes out like silver. Let's try it on white. Okay, yeah, so you're probably going to do better if you want to actually see the color with white paper for the green marker, but let me tell you, it is glittery. I don't know if you can see it very well in the video, but even on the black, it's definitely got some glitter. And so I guess we're gonna try the silver one next. Again, you've got to hold these down for a minute. So I might just get all of them going so you guys aren't waiting forever. Look like a weirdo pressing these down, but I'm just gonna hold these down until I start to see them flow, and then we'll test the silver marker first. Yeah, so I'm thinking the silver is almost ready. The other two aren't. Okay, so the silver is ready. The red is almost ready too. Okay, so I'll set those right here. Okay. Yeah, so the silver shows up good on black. Obviously, it's sparkly. It looks a little bit better than the green because it's supposed to be silver. It shows up great on white paper. Sparkly goodness. So far, so good, you guys. All right, so the red does come up a little bit better on the black. Again, it's still light, but you can see a hint of the red, much more on the black paper than you could the green. And let's do, all right, I'm just having fun now. And so yeah, that works. They work best so far on white paper, but the silver does look really good on the black. I don't think I would use the red or the green. Definitely not the green. Maybe the red. Almost looks a little pink on the black paper. Gold is probably going to come out pretty good. It's almost ready. Let's see on the black paper. Let's see. Okay. Trying to hold it down and let more ink flow to see if it'll make it darker, but unfortunately even the gold isn't the greatest on the black paper. You can see it. Looks like it's got a hint of gold, maybe yellowish tint to it. Not the greatest. I probably would only use the silver, honestly, on the black. And it looks great on white. And yes, they have glitters. The glitter does show up in all four markers really well, more on lighter colors. So again, these are the ink glitter markers from Dollar General. They're only $2. So yeah, you can kind of see from here if it's worth it to you or not. To me, it was worth it, and I'm glad I picked them up. So I got those. And now I got from Tuesday morning. I don't know if I showed you guys, but this was in my video, the pom-pom DIY I just posted. But I got these from Tuesday morning. Unfortunately, when I got home, when I opened it up, there was only 3 pom-pom makers in here, the large and the medium, and I really love making small stuff, if you guys haven't noticed. I have a mini series going on right now on my YouTube channel, so I was kind of bummed that the small one wasn't in there, but I know other methods, and one of the methods was the fork method that I used in my last video, so I'll go ahead and use that for small pom-poms that I want to make. But this does, you guys, this does work really well, and it's quick and easy if you want to make pom-poms for gifts or for hats or garland or anything. So I do recommend the pom-pom maker from We Are Memory Keepers, and all the Tuesday morning numbers will be posted below if you're interested in anything. Also, I got this My Mind's Eye Christmas on Market Street washi tape. It was $2. I started slipping it off and I think it got stuck on the way back up. They're really beautiful, and I'm gonna keep them in the packaging because if you can see, they were so clever enough to put, I don't even know what you would call this, but yeah, it cuts it like when you have aluminum foil. Yeah, it has that same edge on here, so I'm not gonna take it out of the box. I really love that, so I'm just gonna leave that like that. And I might get this plastic back on in this video. Okay, there we go. All right, and then I'm not getting married. I already got married, so I'm not getting married anytime soon, but I actually still haven't even worked on a wedding album. But me and my husband plan to renew our vows in 5 years and actually do like a bigger wedding. So I don't think these will last that long. But anyway, I got these My Mind's Eyes Bliss ephemera pack. I couldn't even think what it was called for a second. And it's got gold accents on here. I'm just gonna take out a few, not all of them. I'll flip over the back and show you. But it says like bridesmaids, wedding, maid of honor, mother, flower girl. Let's see. Bride, then it's got a frame, a tag, another frame with another little square heart, a diamond, hour, some leaves, bouquet, flowers, leaves, hearts. Really, really pretty. You can see. I don't have to name what everything is. I love the ring. Love this cake. So, and it's got some other cute ones. On my Instagram, Create Odyssey, I will post a picture of the back of this. So if you're interested in seeing what's all in this pack, you can see that. And I will also list the numbers for this. I'm struggling getting that big piece back in there. I don't really want to bend it, so I'm just gonna stick these in here the best I can right now, and I'll go back and I'll fix it after this video. Just for time's sake, I'm not gonna sit here and try to get it all back in perfect. And okay, I got 2 of these Maggie Holmes crepe paper stickers, the word stickers. I was so excited when I found these again because I used all of these. I only bought 1 pack last time at my old Tuesday morning. They only had 1, and I was so excited when I found another one. A couple of them look faded on this pack, but I'm okay with it. I'll still use it anyway. And then I got this My Mind's Eye Blast Off stickers, and I also got the chipboard, which I'm super excited about. It was only $1.50, and this was only 99 cents. But I was really excited because for my son's baby shower, I did, we're over the moon. We were over the moon excited for his coming. So I was really excited when I seen this. This was perfect. It kind of went with the theme of my baby shower, so I was excited about that. And last but not least, I know I got some Christmas stuff in here, but oh well. I got these glitter shapes, which I'm super excited about. They were $3. I'll open them up and show you what's in here. I was really excited when I seen these because normally, you know, you guys have to order off of, well, I do. I don't know where everybody else finds all of their really cute sequins, but I always have to get mine off of AliExpress. So I was excited when these were right here at home and I didn't have to go far. Now, it's not a ton, but yeah. Anyway, so they have these little gingerbread men, and I am in love. Let me see if I can, nope, struggling. I don't really want to take that many out because I don't want it to be hard to get them back in, but I don't know, here, I'll put them right here so you can see how adorable are these little gingerbread men. I just want to eat them up. I love them. So I got these little gingerbread men, and then it comes with Christmas trees and candy canes and snowflakes, which are these 3. And I love that it gives you 2 different kinds of greens in the Christmas tree, and the candy canes, they have white and red, and the snowflakes are silver and white. So again, I was over the moon excited, ecstatic when I found these. So I got those. Let's put those back in there. Okay. And then that is all from Tuesday morning. So I'm going to set that back over here. I'm going to pull out what I got from Michael's. So move these 2 back over here. All right, from Michael's, I got some really cute Halloween stickers. Everything's 50% off. I'm probably going to go back and see what else I can find. But I love these. These are more like fall. They're adorable. I thought the chipmunk is super cute, and the pumpkin. I just love it all. And the fox and the hedgehogs. I love it. So I got those. And this was the only one I seen. I didn't even see these when Michael's first released their Halloween collection. The witch fingers. I mean, I don't know how I'm going to use them, but they are so cute. I'm like, they're so creepy cute. So I love those. I got those. And then I love these pumpkins. I've seen people haul these already, but I really love them. So I got these white pumpkins. They're adorable. I got these little people, wood shapes. I'm not going to tell you what I'm doing with them yet. Hopefully they come out good and I can show you what I'm going to try to do with them. But I haven't really worked with wood that much, so we'll see how they come out first. And then I got these little fences or metal gates from Tim Holtz. I have 2 of these shadow boxes that I never showed in a haul because I've been waiting until I decorate them. But I got 2 of these from Michael's when they were on clearance in the spring, and I've had them ever since. So I'm probably going to use them for Christmas. So stay tuned. I'll probably make a Maggie Holmes one and a Christmas one, to be honest. And also, everybody is hauling these paper pads right now. This is the Sugar Blush paper pad from Michael's. They're releasing so many cute paper pads. I'm going to try to open this up. I might not be able to open it up. Do a quick little flip through. I'm going to keep you forever. But all is calm and all is bright. Oh, so pretty. I love that. Merry and Bright. Love the Nutcracker. He looks so cute. Love this. I'm really loving the Santa. I mean, he is just too cute. It comes 2 of those. I love this so much, you guys. This is Jingle Bells. I love, love, love this paper. This is pretty too. I'm not a big fan of this one. It's okay. Not my favorite. And this got the bulbs. Also, not my favorite. I like this one. This one's pretty. I can use that. This one, it's okay. Not my favorite. This one's pretty. Not my favorite, but it's pretty. I love this one. Love this one. This one's okay. Not my favorite. Of course, who doesn't love fake rugs, but yeah. I love the stripes. This is beautiful. I don't know how I'm going to use it, but it's beautiful. All is calm, all is bright. Love. Love, love, love. This one. Again, the fake rug picture. Love the pink Christmas trees. Don't know what I'll do with them, but I love them. All is calm, all is bright again. The wood. Love it. And that's all for the Sugar Blush paper pad from Recollections. So everyone, thank you so much for watching. I hope this video wasn't too long for you. Be sure to like this video, comment, subscribe, and click that notification button. Bye.